Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about another indicator called typical price. We are looking at Bitcoin chart and we are on, let me change it to daily as previous ones, okay, daily chart. Um, why I chose Bitcoin for today, just because everyone is talking about Bitcoin after it just gone up to here just above 64 600, close to 65. Then it started to come back and now today price is around 35k -ish. Okay. um, I'm not saying that use this indicator for Bitcoin, but let's have a look and check it and see what this indicator has to offer. Okay. Let me add it to the chart. We're going here and we'll look for typical price. The period I'm going to just leave it as 14. Create. So what is typical price? Typical price is kind of average. So typical price is an approximate average, and some people also refer to it as a pivot point. Um, when I'm saying average, normally for average price, as normal, you go, high plus low divide by 2. But this average is kind of different. It's still uh, arithmetic, but the way it calculates takes into account close price as well. So how it works is like you adding high, low, and close price, then divide by 3. Some people and sometime on some platform may use another uh, variance of this calculation. They also take into the account the open, then divide by 4, which is not that common. So we stick to the first one, which I said this is high, low, and close divide by 3. What could be the best strategy to use to trade with the typical price? Um, as I said, typical price is average of the price. So if we try to plot it on this chart, depending on the uh, period that you choose, you might just uh, see a line version of your uh, chart, but instead of the daily, you know, close prices like a normal line chart, you see the average, which is the high, low, and close. Divide by 3. Okay. I'm gonna add another just moving average to this chart. I'm gonna just change the period to 14, and we can apply this to the field which we have results of the typical price. Okay, create. Unfortunately, this on the eToro platform, you can't plot the first one, the typical price itself on the chart, and that would be a good uh, way of presentation of what this just shows and how it calculates. But anyway, now you can just add the moving average to this field, which is a good thing. So the signals. Signals, as always, for every other asset other than crypto, I will say, okay, go in the direction of trend. For cryptocurrencies, you may have different strategies. You may buy at dip, then you try at close at the high, then by the way down, some people keep buying. So that all depends on your strategy anyway. But my strategy is always uh, I buy at the dip, then anytime I can see a move backward, I close some of my buys, and then when it goes down, then I try to buy at dip. That's how I traded crypto over the past couple of years anyway, and I always made a good profit out of it. Okay, um, let's just check a couple of signals. Just a quick recap of the signal generated by moving averages. So this is works like using two moving average. Anytime typical price crosses above moving average, then that's a buy signal. So let me just add a couple of horizontal line. Uh, Here you can see the cross. Oh, sorry, I think I've chosen the wrong. Oh yeah, vertical. Yeah, I put it here at the top. Okay, you can see we had a buy signal here based on this. Then you can close when it sell. It gives you a sell here, some of them, and then keep the rest. If we go back, we can see the especially here. Remember last year March, which crypto goes, Bitcoin price goes even below um, 4K. So if just add another vertical line here. If you would have listened to this and you bought plenty here, then you could close some here. This price was 6,000-ish, then could have closed some here at around 9K, then you buy some here, then just keep it, and then it goes to a nice buy here and goes all the way up to 34. Then I remember it was here, I think, when Elon Musk just sent some tweets, then price went up, and then here at the top he made some other tweets and it going down. Then China started to ban crypto and not ban, but saying that it can't be replaced with the fiat currency. Then it started going down more and more and more and more. Anyway, so many wealthy people and many big whales are playing with crypto in their favor. We're not talking about that anyway on this tutorial. This is just the technical indicator tutorial. So as you can see, actually it's not bad. It gives you good signals to enter at the right places. Then here it gives you a sell signal, which depends on your strategy. If you don't want to sell, go short on crypto, which is my preference as well. I don't go short on cryptocurrencies. I close my lungs. So you close some more lungs here, then you wait for another buy signal to add some more to your crypto. Yeah, this was Bitcoin. Just to have a look at our favorite forex pair, see how it looks like. You can see it works on the forex pairs very nicely, and on forex pairs, yeah, here we are in uptrend, so we may listen more to the buy signals anyway. So it give you a good buy signal here when price was 1.197 something, then it's still in a buy. So yep, as you can see, it works in different markets. I hope you learned something and you enjoyed today's indicator, and I hope you have a very fantastic and profitable week ahead of you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.